Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
And this is the pre-birthday party jump. Wanna match out though, you know, on the pink shorts. You girls are matching in your pink shorts. Oh, Bria, there's a basketball hoop. Let me go get the ball. I'm gonna go get the ball.
Look the same. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Sorry, look at me, baby. Look at that, one.
Move the hand side, move the hand.
1, 2, 3. Everybody smile.
You know, I'm talking about you.
Listen,
Yeah.
mama, listen.
Yeah. And she's the master of ignoring people. I mean,
7 is ready. The girls of K2 are ready. All right, listen to coach. I'll wait for the whistle. When the whistle blows, you run straight down. Finish at the red cone. K2, what speed? What speed? Oh my gosh!
Run, Bella! Run, Bella!
Excellent, excellent. Great work. Great work.
Yes, mama!
Alright. This is
Hey,
8.
you're fast enough, girl.
And after this, I think we have one more. Don't stop. Watch your style. Keep going. Go. Go.
Good job,
Good
Bella.
job. Good job.
Yeah, girl.
Excellent.
Hey.
Come on, make some noise.
Bella.
Yes.
Go, Bella.
And sprint
Yeah,
all the way to
girl.
the finish line.
Yeah,
Great
girl.
job.
Go, go, Bella.
Look at
Go,
them
go,
go.
Bella.
Look at
Run,
them
run.
go.
Run, Bella.
Wow,
Run,
look at
Bella.
this.
Run.
Look at the style.
Take them
Watch
up.
his
One
style.
more, one more. Take them up.
Go,
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 go, Bella.
go.
Go, go, Bella.
All
Go,
the way.
Bella.
Clap
That
them.
is
Cheer
it.
them.
That is it.
Great job.
That is it, girl.
All right. The young ladies of K2 are ready. The first leg. Hand off to the second leg.
Run, Bella. Run, Bella. Run, Bella. Run, Bella. Run, Bella. Run, Bella.
Finish. All right. It
Run
is
them down, my girl.
K2 time.
Hey, 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 run them down.
A3, are you ready?
Third. Come back there. Good job, mama. Good job, mama.
The leaders of kindergarten, right? So the bosses up from up top. Up top now.
Good job.
All
High
right,
five. High five.
guys.
High five. High five. High five. High five. Yeah, mama. Yeah, girl.
One big
Class 3 girls are in their set position.
Go,
and
mama.
they're off.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
Steady
Focus.
hands,
Focus.
steady hands.
Focus. You got this. You
Steady
got this.
hands.
Slow down a little. Good. Go.
Logan
Good.
Thomas
Good.
is in the lead,
Good.
followed by
Good.
Flags, followed
Go.
by
Go. Go. Slow down. Good. Good. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. That is it. That is it. That is it, my girl. That is it. Good, Bria. That is it, my girl. That is it.
so we can start the next race.
You hug up, sister. You hug up, sister. Hug up, sister. Hey.
On races, we have 200 meters coming up. Teachers, get your students ready. Identify your
I told you.
scores
I told you.
for 400 meters, boys and girls.
I told you got this.
And they're off. Let's see
All right.
who's going to get the
Look at it.
answer correctly first.
Look at it.
Will it be Logan Thomas? Will it be Sherlock? Will it be Godfrey? Or will it be Flex? Flex is finished and off. Let's see if we have the correct
Go, Bria. Give him. Good.
And so
Hurry.
Thomas and Godfrey.
Why am I taking time? Good job, mama. Good job. That's so easy, though. But that's so easy. That's so easy. Bella, what you doing? Come out the way. Come out the way.
Our first national hero. I am a Jamaican. Of course, my love national dish, ackee and little starfish. I am a Jamaican. Of course, we are going to support the Chinese shop. Jamaican. Of course, we know that we have the fastest sprint for them. I am a Jamaican. Of course, we know the famous Jamaican slang, but see, we are saying, of course, we love listening to Bob Marley music. I'm a Jamaican. Of course, we know about the biggest treasure checks on John River Falls. I am a Jamaican. Of course,
from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.